Namaskar. The month of Shravan has begun. In Maharashtra and across India, fasting is observed on a large scale during the month of Shravan. God is worshipped. The unique beauty of nature is available during this time. Therefore, many festivals come in the month of Shravan. All these traditions have existed for many years. We have always seen that there are many reasons for the events and festivals celebrated in Indian traditions. Among those many reasons, one of them is definitely health. This month of Shravan is more about fasting during this entire time. Non-vegetarian food is compulsory prohibited. Many Indians are included in this without eating non-vegetarian food. Now, whether to eat non-vegetarian food or not can be a separate question or a separate topic. But this is the time of the year when most of the time non-vegetarian food is also prohibited and fasting is prescribed. What are the scientific reasons behind it? What is the connections of Indian philosophy with this, and what does Ayurveda says about this? It is important and equally surprising to see. According to Indian philosophy, 6 seasons of 2 months each are described in a year, and they are accepted in Ayurveda. In each of these seasons, different emotions arises in the universe. Its effects is felt on the entire universe, and of course the effect of the entire universe is seen on every element in the universe, including us. Therefore, according to their cycle of seasons, we create our routine that is go with the flow of time, and this reduces health problems and help to create a happy life. Therefore, since the nature of the universe, which changes according to the season, is not greater than us, it is best to behave accordingly, and the 2 months of Shravan and Bhadrapad are included in the Varsha season. The word Varsha itself implies that there is more rainfall. Something that comes in the season can be harmful to the health. According to the Indian philosophy, during this time, the great elements of sky and air are in abundance. In the definition of Ayurveda, this is the time of Vata Prakopaka. One of the quality of Vata is asymmetry. Of the main qualities of cold and heat, in this season, sometimes heat is more effective and sometimes cold is effective. This creates asymmetry. This difference in the body creates symptoms of the body in a inverse form, uneven form. Therefore, since this Vata region or Vata season produces different symptoms, it is necessary to follow its seasonal cycle with more caution. We have seen this many times, that what happens in the universe, the same thing happens in our bodies, and therefore in the universe the symptoms of Vata are similar to those of Vata Prakopa. Therefore, if we change our routine and seasonal habits in that way, we do not develop the disorders that we are experiencing. Indian philosophy and Ayurveda are wonderful. The fire that digests the food consumed during this period is not the same regularly. Therefore, sometimes we feel hungry, sometimes we do not feel hungry. Sometimes the food consumed is digested well, sometimes the digestion of the food is not good. Therefore, its different effects on the body are possible. If digestion is not good, then toxins are produced in the body. Due to this, many diseases are invited. An unparalleled sermon has been given in these regards. In this season, Vata and Pitta increase. That is, in the definition of the great elements of Vayu and Tej increases. During the season, the sky is covered with clouds. In this condition, if there is a position in the body, it increases. The research is unparalleled during this period. If our fire, that is digestive power, is maintained well, the toxins are not produced in the body, and the best treatment is fasting. Or in the scientific definition, fasting, that is, the fire element is better in the body, then the ability to digest any type of poison is created in the body. Therefore, the importance of fasting is even more surprising. When the fire is weak, the digestion power is not good. In such a case, if we eat guru food or a heavy food, then due to its not being digested properly, many types of toxins and diseases are created. Non-vegetarian food is guru or heavy for digestion, and if it is consumed during this period and it is not digested, then the poison that is increased in person due to indigestion is harmful to the body, and many types of diseases are possible to it. During this rainy season, many types of microorganisms are produced in large quantities according to Ayurveda. The food of these microorganisms is mainly blood and meat. This research was done by Ayurveda 3000 years ago, and when it comes to humans, these bacteria can make their place there. In such case, the possibility of bacteria formation is highest in the rain. If we eat that meat and our fire does not have the power of digest it, then there is possibility of those bacteria growing, and during this time many infectious diseases or natural diseases arises, and for this reason it is best not for eat meat. On this occasion, protecting the fire by fasting and avoiding indigestions are very important in terms of health. Among other things, since the rainy season is the time of Vata, its effects on the body are more likely to cause Vata diseases. These are not easily cured in terms of recovery. Therefore, it is most important to take care of health during this time. For this, we should pay attention to ensure that our fire remains good forever, that it does not weak during this period. Vata diseases or other diseases that occurs during this period do not get cured quickly, because during this Vata period their treatment cannot be done unilaterally. Therefore, they becomes different to cure. Therefore, it is very important to take care that no kind of disease occurs during this period, and for this, so that the period is digested properly without indigestion, it is most appropriate to not eat meat like foods for some of the above reasons, and to fast. Therefore, fasts are observed during the month of Shravan, and it is certain that the meat eating is considered bad. Subscribe it, share it. Thank you.